I got this lathe. I really like it, and I love that I can just, buy an accessory and add a lever to it. I got this cutoff slide, and I got this, again, Brown and Sharp cutoff tool. RR in the shop. Shout out. So I got this turret, and I've been dreaming about owning a turret that works. And I had a proof of concept for this little... I'll put a cheap DRO on it, and I just bent this little piece of sheet metal here. And what I've got is, this is pivoting on this. Of course, I'm scratching my brand new paint job, but it's worth it because I think this is really something I'm going to do. And what I have up here is just a little breakout. So here, just to see the repeatability of this, so I'm going to go in, and I'm going to zero it. Okay, and it's in millimeters because my shop is in millimeters, but my Hardinge is not. Oh, okay, so I've got the handle. I'm going to actually zoom wider here. It's not perfect, but it's because this clamp. All right, so I gotta do more metal work. And it needs to come out. You see how the scale bends out, bends in. Like, that can't be good for it. So I gotta build a little spacer to come off of here to make or I'll remake this bracket, or this will permanently live like this for the next 10 years because it's good enough, and it runs on batteries forever and ever. I guess it would change with every tool, so as you go back, that depth will always be the same, right? So the depth is what really matters. Right, so each depth stop, it's like there is no depth stop, right? It's not connecting here. All right, there's a stop in that one. There's a stop in that one. No stop. It's pretty close. Man, for the things I make, that'll do, pig.